Hello guys and welcome to a video where I'm going to survive part 1 of Minecraft survival. I'm only in the survive part 1, only 22 minutes, and then it's all. But please guys, like and subscribe. First thing what people always do in Minecraft, they always say wood. This is my first time dying, don't judge me. Not my first time playing Minecraft, but it's my first time making a video. Just need some wood for I actually need to focus on building a house and a bit as fast as I can. So I'm gonna place down crafting table. Stone. Okay, I'm first around for food. I need wool for bit and I need the cows for the armor since just now I'm basically just now I have no clothes on. I have no even a single armor. And I have one piece of leather. This ain't gonna help me. But I'll try to survive the first night. I don't know. This is it. So where can I find more food? Oh, I can't kill the baby sheep. I can't. Well, let me see. Oh, wait, there's one. Okay, I can craft me a bed for my respawn. I'm just gonna put my respawn and kill some more. But I just hope you guys are gonna look at me. What's actually in my videos and to kill animals. So let me see. Is there any animals here? Pig. Chicken. Chicken. Black sheep. A black sheep. Okay, I don't want to be racist. But I'm just telling the truth. My friends always say I'm racist. Two more sheep. Another black sheep. Oh, I better stop being racist in front of you guys. I think it's best if I go now for stone tools. I think I should make my own mine. What the? My game's lazy. I think it's best if I build my house. Let me see. I think I should mine in. So guys, I have my own sorts of Minecraft, but this is my first video what I'm going to make. To survive my first 5 days. But I'm not gonna survive 100 days, guys. This is not a 100-day challenge. I want to feed the Ender Dragon. It says that I don't think I can. But just write in the comments that I can or I must do it. Because it is my first time trying to survive now. Be the Ender Dragon. When I was last time. Oh wait, I see copper. Didn't I hear in Bedrock Edition that I can make copper armor? I guess Java can't guess Java doesn't want to add copper armor. Mine. I'm back. Oh, apple. Yum. And I can't spot. Oh no. I think it's 2 furnaces. Stone tools. Another furnace. Just to be safe. We'll cook some food. Also, 4 stone tools. And cut the stone down. Oh wait, what was it now? What was it? I need something to eat. I'm just eating this now. No. 2 little pieces. I swear it's another cow somewhere. Oh, the moon is rising and the sun is going down. And the first night of the day. Finally I can sleep. Now I wanted to go get more wood for a house that I want to start. But since there is a forest next to me. Oh no, you hear what? Since there is a forest next to me, I will mine lots of wood until if I will step out. You guys will not. Hey dog! I can only draft 1 piece of armor. It's a helmet, but then. So guys, just to prove you that I got a stake, I need to look at the forest. And I just need stone. I just did the off-cut work so I can get more stone. So I'm gonna mine more stone in the off-cut. So guys, I was starting to kill animals all day. Let me put this in. This in. Loaded enough and this in. Night. So I need to go mine. So I'm gonna make 2 pickaxes. Now where's the mine? I swear it's just both the mining place is already gone. Let me throw some torches. Oh wait, yes. to get 2 sticks going to build my house. I don't have an idea how to build a house. I just hope I can build one. It's probably day 3 by now, but I found iron. Minecraft Gold just blessed us today. Let me just. Minecraft Gold just blessed us. Let's give 9. I want to find in the site. That's what I really want to do, but if I can't find in, I just want to thank the Lord. This is not the stuff what I'm looking for. It's all the stuff I'm looking for. I think it's called anthracite. But if I can't find it, I have to wait to build a house in my head. Oh, there's one of these. But I heard it. I saw I heard the Enderman. What is it raising noises? I wonder what's the best ride. We'll probably search later what's the best ride. We're finding iron and diamonds. But I always think so where was I? Oh yeah, I took a good way to go eat something. Need 4 sticks. Oh, the only what I can find. So guys, oh my god. Almost a video where I will survive with my friend. His name is Deadly and it's like I have another pickaxe. So guys, I have over 2 sticks now. The only last thing I need is the glass for the windows. Brightness. Die. Sorry that I had to turn, guys. Food. Thank you. Oh no. I need to empty up my inventory. I need to go cut some. Just need to cut some 1 tree down or 2. I might some wood. I might some wood for free. Oh, wait a cow. I should really kill this That was for how much do I have? I need 24 for 20. How people's not even 25 or 24 you need for full the armor. I might need this. Might need a wool. Just in case for the leather I need to let me see what is the oh yo what the done I'm almost 8. That's not enough. Okay, so I think I should go on a adventure. Oh, okay guys, I mine some wood. Where's this furnace? I don't think we have enough time to build the house in there. Oh, my lucky day. I need to overlooking. I think I should find later just to get armor. Those people, sorry guys about the light, so I will put it off. Those people would go now for and armor literally on day 1. Those are people who are pros, but I'm not that good in Minecraft. I'm telling the truth. Oh, it's guys. I need enough later. Another car over there in a water stream. Oh no. Wait. I see something. I hope it is. Yes. Spruce trees. Oh. And it's okay, yo. I think I can use the spruce trees over in the next save. I have only 5 more minutes left for you guys. This is part 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, for part 2. Because if I get to 20 subscribers, I'll start part 2. How much later do I have? 13 and I need no tools. Need to go get more stone. Just a few little. So guys, I have a few more minutes with you. I killed the skirt and they dropped 1 arrow. I need to trust me now no tools. Do I have one? Why? I need to have more wood. If I have episode, you guys will see one day. I'll build my house. I'm not gonna just build it without you guys looking. I'm gonna build the house. How you will see how this is. I copied it by 100 people who survived actually on a 100 days. Not actually 100 days. They actually survived in a hardcore video. So I'm gonna copy their house. Sticks. 40, I'll take 40. Doesn't matter. Let me see. There's something. And another people. I'm gonna put this old tools away. Inventory. Let me see. Go in. Finally. So, okay guys, I needed something. What did I want to know then? I needed something. armor before I end this episode. So I'm gonna kill some cows. I need 24. How much do I have? 40. I'm barely almost to 24. I still need 10. I don't need you guys. Come on. I need to have this whole leather armor. Anyways, guys, I see a spruce tree over there. Spruce trees. I think I'm right. So all I need from that is wood also. I'm gonna get it later in the episode. Get me your leather, Texas. Okay. Need a few more. Guys, I found a village nearby my house. I was wondering, I think I wanted to look later for a village. I'm Gollum. I need everything here. In the distance, I see cherry blossoms. So, guys, I was able to craft my full leather armor. Oh, guys, how do I look? What full leather armor? And guys, I'm gonna craft my shield, so why not? I'm gonna end the episode. What does having full leather armor in a shield and sprinkles? But I will build my house in the next episode. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for this time.